here we go. I'm gonna check to see how many ants are in here. Wow, look at that. Let's see. Wow. Let's look inside there. Wow, there's a lot of them. There's millions of them. Look at that. Okay. I have my lawnmower here. And we're gonna see what we could do. I'm gonna turn on my lawnmower and just gonna run them over. Okay, let's go. Alright. Here we go. Start cutting them open. Real nice. Like a little slice. Alright. Work it over here. Let's get out of here. Check it out. Okay. That's what's left over. They're still alive, but barely. Wow. And that's it. Nice.